Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use overdraft money in Lloyds Bank. So step number one is you can check your overdraft limit. So you just have to log into Lloyds Bank mobile application or online banking and then go to the accounts and select your current account. And then just scroll to see your available balance and overdraft limit. So if you don't have an overdraft, you may need to apply for one. So just search it on your Google or Safari and then check for eligibility. Now, once your overdraft is set up, you can use the money just like your normal account balance. So you can withdraw cash from ATMs, you can make payments via bank transfer, direct debit, or standing order. You can also use your debit card for online or in-store purchases. And lastly, you can also pay bills like electricity, rent, phone, and etc. And then you can now just use it. You can monitor fees and interest. You can also repay the overdraft, or you can also manage and increase your overdraft if needed. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next. Bye!